Object-oriented software architecture, a detailed tutorial. This is a diagram how object-oriented architecture works: parent, child, inheritance, polymorphism, etc. The tutorial name is Object-oriented software architecture. There have some introduction. Core concept of OOP architecture: objects, classes, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction. Architecture pattern in object-oriented software architecture. Model view controllers MVC. Layer architecture, client server architecture, microservice architecture. Example: e-commerce application, some classes, customer, product, order item, etc. There have relationship, implementation, simplified code, and also architecture diagram, how the diagram work. Benefit of OOP software architecture: modularity, reusability, maintainability, scalability. Challenges: complexity, performance, learning curve. We will provide whole architecture tutorial in the description box. Please follow the description box. Please follow the other tutorials. Thank you.